Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Ango and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a category.php. Let me just show you that in the template hierarchy. And basically what a category.php is, it like the archive pages over here have an author, a category, a taxonomy, and whatever. So basically we have an archive.php, but if a category.php exists, it's going to go over there first and then pass data over there, then pass data to the index.php. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys, if there is a category.php, it's going to be showing first. So the steps are for today's video is going to be very simple. All I need you to do is go into your root folder and create a category.php. Alright. After that, all we need to do is just check out the template files by WordPress. You're not going to get that from, you could get it from other places, but this is the best examples for you. Alright. So we're going to take this one, but let me tell you something. Alright. So basically what this does is it's an if statement, a PHP if statement, and it's telling us if is category A, for example. Let's make that gallery. This is just gonna show us the gallery posts. So let's actually try that, and let's make this events. Just remove category over here. Let's make it events. And else is basically for some generic text, just for uncategorized posts. Right. So let's go into our WordPress admin panel. Let's actually add a new category. We want to add the name of gallery, and right now it's not going to show anything because we didn't while over the loop, but we just want to make sure that the text is showing this text. All right, so gallery, and let's make this events as well, and new category, so events gallery. Yep, let's go into so here it is. Basically, yeah, this is some generic text, describe all other category pages. So all we need to do is just add the styling and everything, you know what I mean? So we could just take the styling from uh, let's for example take the styling from the archive.php. We just need something that's just gonna be in the middle, you know what I mean? So if it's category gallery, I need you to show me this. Alright, let me just remove these. Actually, let's keep the categories. So yeah, else if events. So basically we're just gonna do that all over again, and over here let's just add it under this text. So if we refresh that, yeah, so basically the categories right now, but there's something not showing the categories that we just made it. Why? Because the post itself don't have a category. We did not add any of the posts itself a category. So we're just gonna add two categories right now for two posts I already made before. So we're just gonna go into categories over here. Let's make it events and then just update that. And let's make the other one gallery, for example. Alright, so if we update that, go into the, yeah, so basically it's just gonna show us the events, and this is showing us right now the events, but it's not showing anything because like I said, we still haven't while, like we didn't do the while loop for the posts. But here's the URL, and if we go to gallery, now we're in the gallery. Right, this is just for you to make sure that everything is working. So one last thing we need to do before basically ending this video, I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a while loop for the post itself. So let me just check out the, yeah, here is the, alright, let me just take that. We could also take the one from the home page that we did before, alright, but let me just try that. Alright, I just wanted to make it p tag. Alright, no, actually let's copy and paste that as it is, and let's go into gallery, just make sure. Alright, line 38 is not working. Why is not line 38 not working? Alright, wow. Line 38. So here's line 38. And let me refresh that. Alright, just 1 second. Alright, actually we could just get the one we have from the home page. So if and don't forget to just end the while and end the if itself. Do it over here. Let's open up a PHP one over here. What? Yep. So we end the if, we end the while. This is the first if. Let's just refresh that, see what happens, right? And we're currently, what category did we add? Did we add it in the events? So yeah, here it is. As you could see, this we just added into the events. As you could see, we already added that into events. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that code and just do it all over again in the all the other categories that you want. So here's the first category, here's the second category, and here's the uncategorized. We don't have to mention that it's uncategorized, but basically what we're saying is if it's category gallery, then please show us all of this with the while loop and posts and everything. And if the category is events, then do a while loop with everything over here. And else if it is uncategorized, just list the categories, and we could just do a while loop as well because there are a lot of posts that are uncategorized, so we could show them as well. Alright, let's go to the local host page. Let's go to uncategorized now. So here it is, the uncategorized pages and the events as well, and the gallery. They're all working. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Comment and like and subscribe. This was the category.php, the video number 17th. Check out video number 18th. And alright, for now, thank you so much for watching the video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and you guys have a beautiful day, alright? And watch out for the Bootstrap 5 tutorial that I'm gonna do, which is basically gonna be styling all of this, because right now the post is starting to get a little bit not cool in terms of the styling and everything, so we'll fix that. But I just wanted you guys to understand the logic first, and you could style each page on its own if you'd like. You don't have to do it like I'm gonna do it, alright? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day.